That's my girlfriend.
Hi.
She's charging her phone.
I sure
They
am.
have Western outlets as well. It's both European and Western. A rack to hang your stuff. That is actually a window, but you can see out from the when you're in the bathroom. Our bags. The floor is really nice. It's actually a proper bed. It's so comfortable. My sleeping bag is faced to the looking out at the window because we want to be able to see the mountains at night. And the shower is extremely hot. I took a hot shower for the entire time I was in the bathroom. Western toilet that actually works. You've got your sprayer. There's a sink, a mirror. That's my toothbrush right there, and it's an all-in-one combo. So there's a shower, the knobs, but it actually does get wet, but that's what you do when you're on the trek. We really needed this. We're halfway through two of four. What is it, 4 treks total?
Yeah.
We're finishing. We're at the tail end of the Langtang Valley Trek. We just finished it. Oh, we're done.
We're done.
Oh, we're done. Oh, I mean, they literally have curtains. Like, hold on. Can you see that? Curtain rods. All right. How much are we paying, Lev? How much is this costing us?
500 rupees a night.
500 rupees per night, provided we eat dinner and breakfast here. I think
So
we've
that
decided to stay.
That is $3.81 per night.
$3 and what?
81 cents.
$3.81 per night USD at the time of this recording. This is an actual key. Okay. All right. Let me go outside. Show you right outside there. Let's go out there. So this is right off our room. We have access to this balcony and we have this view. Oh, are you kidding me? This is so effing beautiful. Hold on. Oh, there we go. Wow. And they have a little patio area. We're probably going to go and have tea, coffee, and have... There's actually a light right there, so that's pretty cool. I have dinner out there. Namaste! Namaste. Alright, so yeah, full length. We do share this balcony with this room next door beside us, but there's no one there. I was just in there. Hi, babes! Okay, so... Alright, let's go check out the rest of this place. I am so amazed. Hold on. Check out the kitchen. Wow. Like, are you kidding me? Look at this kitchen. Oh yeah, we're definitely staying an extra day. Oh yeah, we're staying an extra day. Look at this kitchen. What? I'm trying to... Hold on. Oh, there's actually... there's a stove with a stove. There's an oven. This is the first time on the trek since we started. Look at that. Look at this place. Oh yeah. If you're definitely doing this trek, we're Gosainkunda. I almost forgot. Gosainkunda. Today's the last day of the Langtang Valley Trek. You should stay here. Oh my God, the view. Okay, so this is the kitchen. Okay, let's go from the kitchen. I was just upstairs, and this is that patio area. Namaste. This is the patio area. Wow, look at this view. Oh, are you kidding me? Oh, look. Oh yeah, by the way, I have 4G all the way up here. I have an NTC card and an Ncell. And we have 4G. But check this out. Wow. This is so nice. Alright, so let's go ahead and check out the dining hall. Like, it blew me away seeing the dining hall. Okay, if you need to wash your clothes, usually that's what we do every place we stay for that day, we'll wash, let's say, my underwears, my socks, whatever. I'll wash that. But guess what? They have an actual washer here. We're currently getting our clothes washed for 1,000 rupees. But they actually have a washer. Let's go into the dining hall. Check out this dining hall. Oh, are you kidding me? It's look at this. It's a proper hotel. I am blown away that this is even here. They have wines on display. This is hands down my favorite place. My favorite accommodation on. Look, check this out. Are you kidding me? And they do have Wi-Fi. They do charge a fee, but it's unlimited. I haven't really asked how much that is because, like I said, I am currently using my Ncell, my own data. But hopefully, I want to get. There we go. I'm like, what? Check this. Oh, that's a heater. Hold on. That's a heater. That's like a heater. What? Yeah, man. I'm just gonna hang out here because next it's gonna be more incline on this Gosainkunda Trek that we're doing. Okay, so that's the front. I'm gonna go out there right now. I know this tour is relatively long, but this place deserves everything. This is one of the longest tea house / hotel treks that I've done since we started. Okay, so here's the washer. And here's a washer. I'm not kidding. Okay. There's a little chill spot in the front when you first arrive. Right? It's a little chill spot. Alright, we're going outside. Namaste. Alright, so we're outside the front. Namaste. This is beautiful, man. Are you kidding me? Oh. We just walked around and found this spot. It wasn't hard to find. It's beside the Mona Lisa Lodge. But this is the view from the front. Look at that view. What else can I say? Here it is. Here's the front. What else can I say? But, wow. There's a building. Okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Get out, see the world. Get out of your city, get out of your country. First out of your city, your town, and see the world. I love you. One love. Safe travels always. I'm freaking in the Himalayas. Love, love, love. Peace.